How to add an image in PhotoPea. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a photo in PhotoPea. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step is open up your PhotoPea. You can head over to photopea.com and then start a project. Now right here, there are several ways you can add a picture. Now the first way is you can simply drag it and drop it. So I'll just head over to Photos here. And let's say that this is the photo that I want to download or import. So I just drag it and drop it like this. It can take some time to load as this is a web-based application. So just let it load. And after that, you can resize it like you want. And that's one way of doing it. So let me just pull this right above here. And yeah, that's one way to do it. Now, the second way you can do this is you can first head over to the file option on the top left corner, tap on open, and simply go to the file location here, go to the file location and import another photo. So let's say this is the photo I want. I just open this up and it'll just open this photo up in another tab. Now that's the second way of doing it. And the third way can be you can simply import one in your layers. Now to add one from layers, you can tap on this option where you can add an image, add a new layer, and on your new layer, you can just head over to the new layer first, and on the new layer you can simply do the same that we did earlier, and that is add a picture from here. Drag it and drop it and resize it to your liking. And that's how you can import pictures on your PhotoPea. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.